Today I'm here with a group of volunteers from Bridges for Peace in a kibbutz in southern Israel, a community that used to live right on the Gaza border, Moshav Ohed, and they have actually come to settle here on this kibbutz. Unfortunately, they cannot return home, but now they have come here with their families and are trying to pick up the pieces of their lives after October 7th. We sat with some families and we heard devastating stories of what took place that day on October 7th. One family told us of their niece that was actually at the Nova party and tried to return home, and although there weren't terrorists in their community, they were waiting right at the intersection, at the entrance to their homes, and they actually were shot on their way trying to escape from the Nova party to their homes. One lady told us that her 14-year-old son, he had 23 people in his class at school, and of those 23 students, only 16 are still alive. So just terrible, devastating stories of the loss of life that have taken place in these southern Israeli communities. These displaced families are trying to bring back some sort of normality to their lives. They've set up a makeshift kitchen because the rooms they have in, they don't have anywhere to cook. They have washing areas and dryers just to do their laundry. And part of this is helping the children get back to their education. The school that they attended on the Gaza border was just 2 miles from Gaza, and it is no longer safe for those children to be able to go to school on a daily basis. So we have come and brought them backpacks and a television for their entertainment area so that the children can return to some sort of normality in their lives until they can return back to their homes. The families here in the community told us how much it means to them to hear of Christians around the world that are supporting them, even in these small ways of bringing backpacks and buying a television, that they feel strengthened to know that there are Christians around the world that are standing with Israel and standing with the Jewish people in this difficult time. So we thank you that you have partnered and chosen Bridges for Peace to be your hands and feet of blessing here in the land of Israel, and we want to encourage you to continue giving to our Crisis Assistance Fund so that we can reach out to these displaced people and help them rebuild their lives.